Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, Brawl of the Wild, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 1. 2 Messages. Special delivery for Chief! Special delivery for Chief! Hey, Chief! Hey, Chief! You got special... You better knock next time you come into my office! We were doing important cop stuff! Give me that! Don't scram! Sorry, Chief! And don't slam the door! Hey! Give me that! Let go of this right now! Flip-O-Rama. Ready? Dave, what happened? I got a very special letter and Dogman destroyed it!
What's it say, Chief?
Hey, it's from your like Caprese.
Dear Chief, Sarah from Hollywood. We have finally finished making the Dogman movie. Enclosed are 20 tickets to the red carpet premiere. See it there. The pal, the late Caprese.
But where are the tickets? They must have been in the bottom of the envelope. Get me! Meanwhile, Hoya, Petey, what you doing? Leave me alone, Big Jim! Oh, come on. Tell me. Well, I'm trying to be good, so I made this chart to track my progress. How long have you been good? Let's see. 13, 14, 15, 16 minutes. Aw, I'm so proud of you, Petey. Personal space, man! It's all the merchandise! Sorry, Petey. Hey, do you want to hear about the weird dream I had last night? No! Oh, come on. No! Okay, so I dreamed I was eating this really big marshmallow. It was so tender and fluffy and delicious. And then, when I woke up, my pillow was gone. What? Hey, look! Feathers! Get out of here, Big Jim! Get out! And don't come back, you weirdo! I thought you were trying to be nice! I said I was trying to be good, not nice! There's a difference! I think... Dear little Petey, I'm sorry I can't see you today. I'm a bad cat. I can't even be good for 17 minutes on my own. You will be better off without me. Love, Papa. Chapter 2. The Sad Guys. Meanwhile...
Super Buddies! We're busting up crime in your neighborhood. Oh, Super Buddies! We ain't super perfect, but we're awfully good. Oh, Super Buddies, here we come. We'll do it there, rugby, fight for freedom. That's our duty. Oh, so everybody, shake your booty. Ooh, baby, shake your big booty. Now. Oh, hi, DC. I made some adjustments to my kitty scooter. Now it's a cat hog. What have you been working on? Did you finally finish building that supercomputer? Oh, cool! You did it! Sweet! Hey, Peter, what's up?
You have one new message.
Hey, it's from my papa. Come on, EDC. Papa needs our help. No, he's not hurt. It's worse. He's discouraged.
Meanwhile... Gee, thanks, Olay. We can't wait. Bye-bye. Well, Dogman, it all worked out. Olay said she'll send us 20 new tickets. She said the movie will be animated with clay. What? You've never heard of claymation? Come on, I'll teach you all about it. First, you get some clay, then you mush it around, then you make a little figure. Then you set it down and take a photo of it. Let me turn my camera on and... Hey! Where did it go? I guess I'll have to make a new one. Okay, then you just take a picture of the... Hey! It's a mystery. Let's try this again. Okay. Okay, so you take your camera and... Hey! Meanwhile... Hi, Petey. What you doing? Nothing. Hey, you're not being a giant robotic bumblebee, are you? No. Oh, good. That's a relief. Well, come with me. You've got visitors. Who? A kitten and a robot shaped like a bowling ball. Aw, man. And so... Hey, kid.
What's wrong, Papa?
Look, kid. I just can't do it. I can't be good. I tried. I really tried. But I'm bad. I'm a bad cat.
Papa, you can't give up so easy.
Look, you're just a kid. You don't understand. Some folks are good, like you. And some folks are bad, like me. It's pointless to try to change.
It's pointless to give up, Papa. Papa?
Goodbye, kid.
Papa, no.
Take him home, ADHD. This is for the best, kid.
Papa, no.
Take him home, ADHD!
Papa. Papa!
And so... Meanwhile... Alright, for the 11th time, you put the clay guy here, then you take a picture of it! What do you have to say for yourself? Introducing Extra Chunky Style Hurlorama. Ready? Get out of here now!
Hey, Dogman. Did you have a sad day too? Don't worry. At least things can't get any worse.